All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So as you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be installing the DHM cam along with the ECU flash that we received. Now the ECU is already in the bike. I just got to get the actual rubber piece seated back on there, and then we're also going to be installing these nice covers that we got from the speed shop. So if you guys are interested in getting these covers for your bike as well, I'll have a link down in the description. Also, we'll have a link down in the description to this DHM cam and his tune. We've already done a cam install on the Grom, so if you have no idea how to do that, to do the cam, go check out that install. But Connor and I are going to get a new cam put in this monkey. So let's get right into today's install. All right, so this is where we're at. I took the top of this cover off. We're going to loosen this nut on the valve, and because this cam is extremely tight in there, so we're going to loosen this, and then of course whenever we put it back in, the specs are 0.005 on both the valves, on the top and the bottom, for the intake and exhaust. All right, Connor and I got the cam back in, ECU's in, batteries tied back down. We just need to put the seat on. Check out the Speed Shop's covers. We got those on. Nice little dress up for the bike. So here we go. Moment of truth. Got a nice Run DHM keychain.
It's a neutral, right?
Yeah, it's a neutral. Started right up. Let the bike warm up, and now we'll take it for a rip. So much better having that new DHM tune and cam. Connor's riding the monkey now. This is just enough to scratch the itch until I can finally get the 149 big bore kit on the monkey. Yeah, I'm excited. Can't wait. We still got to do tail lights. We still got to do brake lines, turn signals, all that good stuff. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on the chest mount and take the bike for a ride. All right, so as you just saw in the last clip, that was some riding footage with the DHM Cam and ECU flash, and this is definitely what the bike needed. It needed to be woke up, and definitely has a lot more torque and a lot more top end power. So big thank you to Connor for helping me today. I will say one of the things that it was easier, I don't know why, on this bike to get the cam in and to get the cam sprocket in and to get top dead center, got all that. I don't know, for some reason, maybe it's just because of experience, but it was easier on the Grom than it was to do on the Monkey. One of the problems that we had was we loosened the valves and the cam still would barely come out. And we just had to turn the cam like 180 degrees, and then the cam came right back out, put the cam back in, got everything dialed back to 0.005. And as you saw, the bike fired right up and it's performing just fine. We have so much more stuff to do. Like I said, we still got to do, I'm in the process of finishing, I know, my garage is a mess. I got to finish doing the Rizoma tail lights. So it's like a triple light in the back. It's a running light, brake light, and a turn signal. We got to do the front turn signals. We still got to do the brake lines up front, and I have a piece here that is off to powder coating as well. And then I think it's time to, and bike's only got 70 miles on. I think it's time to go 149cc big bore kit. This bike's a lot of fun to ride now. We need to get a new seat. We're gonna get some different tires. I'm actually gonna try to put this bike on the track, learn how to ride on the track, and yeah. So if you're just a casual everyday driver, not looking for a lot of speed or anything, or where you live is speed limit's like 50 or 55, having the stock bike with the cam and the DHM ECU flash is plenty. So big shout out to David at DHM Motoring for hooking us up with the cam and the tune, and then also shout out to Wayne from the Speed Shop for hooking us up with these little dress up pieces for the cam cover and these cover bolts right here as well. So that is going to be all the time we have for today's video. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. I have a lot of viewers that are not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button, leave this video a big thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Peace.